Broadcasting live from my bandwidth jungle gym, it's Ransomware News, where encryption meets entanglement. Dollar Tree got hit, and this breach cost him way more than $1. Family Service League. More like Family Server League. Somebody just booked a therapy session with Lockbit.
Lee & Associates just closed on a hot new property in the dark web zip code. Sani-Tech Systems? Somebody flushed their files and ransomware clogged the whole pipe. Advanced Tooling Systems. Those tools just got repurposed for decrypting their entire network.
Towne Mortgage? Their files just got repoed. Ransomware don't care about escrow. Washington Courthouse? The only ruling now is guilty of getting totally ransomwared. Winter School District. Pop quiz. What's encrypted, ungraded, and do never? Their whole dang network. 2FORM Architecture? Their network just got remodeled by Ransomware Interior Design.
Acheson Doyle just sketched a brand new floor plan, straight to encryption.
Chevalier Machinery? Their whole factory got retooled for dark web production. El Paso Dentistry? Oof, somebody drilled into their data and pulled out all the fillings. Grand Rapids Metrology? Can't calibrate your way out of this one. Data's weighed, measured, and encrypted. Midwest Fabricating? Their systems got folded, welded, and encrypted. Factory reset. PROVAIL got disabled by some seriously enabled malware.
If you like leaks, lags, and encrypted logs, smash that subscribe button like it owes you Bitcoin. Next breach drops soon, unless I trip on another drone.